Most of the students are struggling in their academics. Do you know why? 80% of the students don't know about their small mistakes that are holding them in their academics. Students think that they need more brain power or needs to study extra hours to get good grades. That is a myth. If a student knows how to follow the five principles in the system of study, that students can get their academic success very easy. Welcome to Study Skills Lab. Hi, I am Ravi Kumar Kata, author of this book, You Can Study Like a Topper. Today, I am going to make you understand the small mistakes that you do in your academics that are leading to low grades. This system of study consists of five principles. One is listening, second is understanding, third is reading, fourth is learning, and fifth is memorizing. Let us see how topper students follow these five principles and other students follow these five principles. Topper students, in your class, you know how the topper students behave. When in the classroom, they listen to the teacher without distractions. They are fully focused. When it comes to the other students, they too listen, but without knowing them, their attention jumps and they get distracted, which means they are missing the explanation of the lesson. And when it comes to the understanding, topper students listen with focus so that they can understand the lesson very clearly. Even if they get doubt, they clarify in the classroom itself by asking the teacher. But when it comes to the other students, when they are in dreams, they miss the understanding the lesson. And they understand few topics in the lesson but miss other parts. And they assume that we have listened in the classroom and they ignore it. And when it comes to the reading, topper student reads the lesson before explanation or after the explanation of the lesson explained by the teacher, because they know the importance of reading the lesson. But when it comes to the other students, they don't focus on reading the lesson because they are busy in writing homeworks or completing the worksheets or learning for the next day examination. And when it comes to the learning, toppers learn daily because they know they can complete very easily because they focused in the classroom, they understood the lesson clearly, and they read the lesson, which means they are repeated the topic 2-3 times in their brain. So for them it is easy to learn the answers. But when it comes to the topper other students, they miss some understanding, they miss focus in the classroom, they don't read the lesson, and they learn the answer just before the examination. And when it comes to the memorization, toppers get so much of time to recall or memorize the answers regularly because they know the importance of memorizing to store the topic in their mind or complete lessons. That is the reason they keep on recalling the answers. But when it comes to the other students, they don't get time to memorize because they started learning the answers just before the examination. They are busy in learning the answers, so they don't get time to memorize. This is the reason most of the students forget the answers in the examination. If you are also facing this problem, it is just because you learn the answers just before the examination and you miss the listening in the classroom, understanding the topic, and reading the lesson. You didn't follow the complete structure or the system to learn anything faster and remember for longer. So, my dear students, this system, if you can correct how to focus in the classroom, how to understand the lesson, why to read the lesson at home, and the right method to learning and right method in memorizing, then you can also become the topper in your class, or you can get good grades, or you can enjoy your studies without pressure. So if you want to know how to follow these 5 principles in the right way, please subscribe to my channel and follow regularly. I will explain each and every principle so that you can understand your mistakes and rectify them and go for a good grades and enjoy your academics. Thank you.